This is the index maintenance module, and in this video we will compare the maintenance methods alter index rebuild versus alter index reorganize. So let's see what are the comparison between these two methods. In the rebuild method, this available online and offline. This have two modes, while the reorganize have only one mode, which is the online mode. And rebuild, if you are using the offline rebuild method, in the offline rebuild the entire table schema has the modification table log, so that the table on which we are going use applying this method, the all this table will be logged for the whole operation, while in the reorganizes it has only the intent exclusive table logs, not the whole table, only that intent which is under the reorganize operation will be logged. It's for short time. And the third comparison is that rebuild and index, what it is doing, it will recreate the index, whether it is a online mode or offline mode. It will create the index structure from the scratch, while in this reorganizing method it's only shuffling the existing passage, so it's required extra 8k page for this shuffling. In this rebuild, when I'm going to apply this rebuild on this fragmented index, it will recreate the index structure. And reorganize only rearranging the these pages. It's required one so extra 8 kb space to rearrange these pages, so it's only the rearranging. And the rebuild we can apply on a single partition. If the table is highly fragmented, if the table is very huge and it has two partitions and only one partition is fragmented, we can apply this rebuild operation only on that partition which is fragmented, and this same we can use for the reorganize also. Both have the this facility. In the rebuild operation we can use multiple CPU, while this is a single threaded, so it can it is no, we cannot use multiple CPU. It could take longer for heavily fragmented index in that case, because it's single threaded. If the very heavy fragmentation in the indexes, it will take long time, so we should not have to use reorganize method for heavily fragmented indexes. And for this rebuild method, heavily fragmented option, this option is apply only if the fragmentation is heavily fragmented, it mean it's more than 30% fragmented, then we have to choose this rebuild operation. If the fragmentation in the index leaf level is less than 30%, it's 5%, 10%, or up to this less than 30%, then better to use the reorganize method instead of the rebuild operation. And this rebuild method, it will, we can use the less amount of logging. If we will use the this bulk recovery logged recovery mode while rebuilding operation, if we switch the bulk logged recovery mode, then there will be the less amount of transaction logging, while in this reorganized method this option is not available. After can be, we cannot this whatever the recovery module, it will log full whatever is the recovery module. So this is in the case of the logging, it's little costly reorganized method. And another comparison is that if we are using this alter index rebuild is cannot be interrupted if it's offline. And for example, if 99% is completed and there is the interruption, so fully operation will be rolled back, so we have to start again. But in the alter index reorganize, we can interrupt, we can pause, and after pause, when we will resume, it will start working only from the last moments from where it's passed. And in this rebuild operation, we can set the fill factor. We can set the fill factor like here. This is the rebuild operation on this products cluster index. I'm mentioning here the fill factor 70%, and when I will mention this fill factor, it will fill the page as per the fill factor, while this option is not available in the reorganize method. So these are the basics comparison between the rebuild and reorganize index maintenance methods.